Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about Vagaro, a popular business management software for salons, spas, and fitness studios. But before we dive into the details, let's ask ourselves a question. Is Vagaro the right choice for your business? I know it's a pretty straightforward question, but it's one that a lot of people are asking themselves. After all, there are a lot of different business management software options out there, so it can be tough to decide which one is the best fit for your needs. In this video, I'm going to share my honest thoughts and experiences with Vagaro. I'll cover everything from the features and benefits to the pros and cons. So, whether you're considering using Vagaro or you're just curious about it, I think you'll find this information helpful. What is Vagaro? Vagaro is a cloud-based business management software that helps you manage your appointments, clients, and finances. It's designed for businesses in the beauty and wellness industry, such as salons, spas, and fitness studios. Features of Vagaro. Vagaro has a lot of features to offer, including online booking. Clients can book appointments online 24/7. Client management. Keep track of all your client information, including contact information, appointment history, and product preferences. Staff scheduling. Manage your staff schedules and assign them to appointments. Point of sale. Process payments and track your sales. Marketing. Send email and text marketing campaigns to your clients. Reporting. Track your business's performance with detailed reports. Benefits of Vagaro. There are a number of benefits to using Vagaro, including save time. Vagaro can help you save time by automating tasks like scheduling appointments and sending reminders. Increase revenue. Vagaro can help you increase revenue by making it easier for clients to book appointments and by offering online booking. Improve customer satisfaction. Vagaro can help you improve customer satisfaction by providing a better booking experience and by keeping track of your clients' preferences. Grow your business. Vagaro can help you grow your business by providing you with the tools you need to manage your clients and staff effectively. Pros and cons of Vagaro. Pros. Easy to use. Vagaro is easy to use, even if you're not tech-savvy. Affordable. Vagaro offers a variety of pricing plans to fit your budget. Customer support. Vagaro has a team of customer support representatives who are available to help you with any questions you have. Cons. Limited customization. Vagaro offers some customization options, but it's not as customizable as some other business management software options. No inventory management. Vagaro doesn't have an inventory management feature. Is Vagaro right for your business? So, is Vagaro the right choice for your business? That depends on your individual needs and budget. However, I think it's a great option for small and medium-sized businesses in the beauty and wellness industry. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use business management software, Vagaro is a great option. However, if you need a more customizable solution, you may want to consider another option. Overall, I think Vagaro is a great business management software option for salons, spas, and fitness studios. It's affordable, easy to use, and packed with features. If you're looking for a way to save time, increase revenue, and improve customer satisfaction, I highly recommend giving Vagaro a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.